provided a air conditioning system for the whole house that also included a splitter system that incorporated a mini split in the pantry. Mini splits are a big thing now, and the way the LG system works is they have a splitter box in the attic, and it feeds the mini split along with the unit that's feeding the whole house. That's a very efficient use of power, and it served this house very well.
The airflow in the house was not great, and I feel like we were losing a lot of the cool air that was coming into the house. And so I was really excited when we got the new system. Like, my bill has gone down, the system isn't working as hard. I'm able to maintain a low 70-degree temperature, very easy to use. The panels look great, and the house just feels all one temperature all the way through. It's a dual system, so I can control the back and the front of the house completely separate, as well as the pantry. I can raise and lower the temperature in there, which is where the dogs are. So it's really important to keep them cool on those hot summer days.